2016 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.